pulled the blower motor. It's fucking gross. Look at that. So I was able to pull it without pulling the dash. God damn. It was bad. I pulled this. I think the resistor vacuumed in there, but then thought I'd just go all the way and fucking pull all of it. Fuck. This, I guess, is the blower motor resistor. It sits right here. This is what controls the fan speed. This is the plug to the fan. So all I did was measure 12 volts coming out here only when the fan speed is set to 4, because when it's on 4 it bypasses the resistor. But 1, 2, and 3 don't work, so we're getting 0 voltage at 1, 2, and 3. This is bad. You can actually hear the solder falling around. Like, yeah, I'm gonna go try and find this part. Bleeding some brakes. Yeah, that's where we at.